When you think IKEA, you picture affordable design. Flatpacks, meatballs. But hidden behind 470 stores is a chilling financial anomaly. IKEA isn't a company. It's the world's largest charity, a $37 billion ghost that doesn't pay taxes until now. Here's the genius hack. The INGKA Foundation in the Netherlands owns the stores. It has no owners, it owns itself. To understand the tax shield, you have to understand the man. Ingvar Kamprad, a dyslexic farm boy who started by selling matches for pennies. But Ingvar had a secret. His grandmother, Francisco, was a passionate Nazi sympathizer who indoctrinated him into the party as a teenager. Even as he built a global empire of peace and love, the shadow of his 1940s membership stayed hidden for decades. He called it his greatest mistake, but investigators found he stayed close to fascist leaders well into his 30s. The IKEA family wasn't just a marketing slogan. It was a closed, loyal circle designed to protect a man with a past. In the 1950s, the Swedish furniture mafia tried to kill IKEA before it could start. Established dealers saw a new, efficient upstart, not a revolutionary. So they banned Ingvar from attending trade fairs. They threatened suppliers. If you sell to IKEA, you'll never sell to us again. Ingvar's response? He went underground. He snuck into trade fairs rolled up inside carpets to scout the competition. When Swedish wood dried up, he crossed the Iron Curtain into Poland. While the West was fighting the Cold War, IKEA was building a secret supply chain with communist factories. The boycott didn't break IKEA. It forced them to become a ghost that could operate anywhere. Why does a furniture store sell 1 billion meatballs a year? It's the hot dog strategy. Ingvar noticed that hungry customers don't buy sofas. But there's a darker trick: price anchoring. When you see a plate of food for $5, your brain resets its expensive meter. If the food is that cheap, the $500 couch must be a bargain too. The restaurant isn't there to feed you. It's there to lower your financial defenses before you hit the warehouse. Why do we keep going back? Enter Victor Gruen, the original dark psychologist. He didn't design stores. He designed rat mazes for humans. The one-way path forces 95% more exposure to impulse items. Scent engineers pump meatball aroma at precise PSI to trigger comfort buying. You don't shop at IKEA. IKEA shops you. But the tax dodge is the least dark chapter. Rewind to 1979 East Germany. IKEA needed cheap labor. The Stasi had political prisoners. Stasi files opened recently reveal 30,000 inmates across the GDR were forced into labor for Western firms. For IKEA, quotas were absolute. Failure meant solitary confinement. In 2025, IKEA pledged $6.5 million to a victims fund. Pocket change for a ghost. Every second, IKEA consumes one entire tree. They use 1% of the world's entire commercial wood supply. To keep prices Ghibli soft, the supply chain is industrial hard. In Romania, investigators linked IKEA's wood to forest mafias, destroying Europe's last ancient ecosystems. They don't just buy wood, they buy entire forests, over 700,000 acres globally. By owning the land, the trees, and the factories, they control the value-extracted chain. The Billy bookshelf isn't cheap because of efficiency alone. It's cheap because IKEA owns the earth it grows in. February 11th, 2026 wasn't random. Australia's ATO pierced the foundation veil, demanding $171 million in back taxes for the 2016 to 2020 window. Denmark, Norway, and France are watching. The $37 billion ghost might finally pay tax, or they might just raise your Allen key price by 17 cents. Either way, that Billy bookshelf on your wall, it was built by prisoners, assembled in a maze, and sold by a charity. IKEA doesn't sell furniture. IKEA sells absolution.